everybody, and welcome. If you're new here, my name is Tatum, and this is Tatum Yoga. Today we are going into a wind down flow and stretching out our side body. So if you'd like, you can take this practice in bed or on your floor. You really don't need a mat. I would recommend maybe grabbing some pillows or blankets just for some support today. So wherever you are, we're going to sit up nice and tall, and we're starting in Sukhasana, easy pose. And we're just going to shift from side to side so we can root our sit bones down. We'll bring our hands to the tops of our knees. We're going to take 3 big breaths together. And I want you to really set your intention on letting go of your day with every exhale. So wherever you are, exhale everything out. Take a deep inhale through your nose, belly breath. And then exhale, sigh it out. 2 more times just like that. Inhaling. Drop your shoulders down. And exhale, sigh it out. Let go. Again, big, full, deep breath. Last one. One more sip at the top. Pause. Drop your shoulders. And exhale, let go. Beautiful. So I'll inhale, arms reach up overhead, interlace all 10 fingers together. We're creating this big beach ball. So we're going to take a little circle here with our body. So we're going to inhale, sit up nice and tall, and then exhale, turn to the left or right. And then we'll gently begin to round our spine as we hinge forward. And inhale will pull us up, opening our chest, and then making our way back around on the exhale. You want to keep a little bit of pressure on your fingers and in your hands. So they're trying to pull apart, but they aren't actually pulling apart. Just feel a deeper stretch down your side body and back body, creating this little bit of pressure. Eyes can be opened or closed. But really syncing your breath up with your movement. So an inhale through center, and an exhale will pull you down and around. Switch directions. Inhaling through center. And exhale, coming down and around. Inhale through center. And exhale, coming down and around. Still keeping that pressure on your fingertips here. Stretching down your backside body when you hinge forward. And on your left or right side, when you're making your way back down or lifting up. Slow, mindful movements. Last round, wherever you are. We'll gently come back through center. Arms reach up to the sky. Palms press up and away from us. Fingertips are reaching back. Draw your shoulders down away from your ears. Inhale again, fingertips reach to the sky. Exhale, twist to the right. Left hand on top of my right knee, right hand behind me as I inhale, lift. Exhale, gently twist, gazing to the right side of my room, or your room, wherever you are. Again, an inhale will lift you up. And an exhale, gently twist. Maybe gaze comes behind you, if that's okay on your neck. If not, just gaze over to the right. On our next inhale, we're going to keep this left hand on our right knee and just lift our right fingertips to the sky. Exhale, stretch them over to the left side of the room. Breathing down this left side body and root down through your right knee and right sitting bone, so you're not dumping into your left. Send your breath all the way down this side body. And draw your shoulder down away from your ear. Eyes can be opened or closed. And inhale, come back through center, fingertips reach to the sky. Exhale, press your palms and drop your shoulders down. Breathing here. Another inhale, fingertips reach up this time. And then exhale, we'll gently twist to the left. Right hand on top of my left knee and my right hand is behind me. Inhale, lift through your chest. Exhale, twist to the left, gazing to the left side of your room. If you'd like, gaze can come behind you if that's okay on your neck. If not, just stay here. Again, maybe with every inhale you lift up a little bit taller, and every exhale maybe you twist a little bit deeper. Wherever you are, you're breathing. On our next inhale, our right hand is staying on our left knee, and our inhale, left fingertips reach to the sky, and then exhale over to the right side of the room. Again, rooting down through our right knee and right sitting bones, shoulders pulling away from our ears. Breathing into this left side body. Gaze can come down at the floor, eyes can close, it's your choice. And inhale will bring us back through center. Both fingertips reach to the sky. And then exhale, hands come down by our side. I'm going to come on down to my back. So just kick your legs out wherever you are and spin around. Keeping our knees bent, gently lowering down here. So my feet are about hip width distance here. I'm going to take my left foot over the top of my right knee. Now you can stay here if this is a deep enough stretch for you, or you can lift this right foot up, interlace all 10 fingers behind your right thigh. You can take a deep inhale and then exhale. Gently pull your legs in towards your chest. Your left toes are flexed back towards your knee, and your left elbow can be keeping this left knee open. Relaxing your tailbone down and relaxing through your shoulders. If you'd like, you can always keep a pillow underneath your shoulders and head for the remainder of practice. Our shoulders are melting down, releasing any tension in our jaw and in our brow. Maybe with every exhale, we pull our knees a little bit closer to our chest. And on our next inhale, we'll gently release this right foot down. Arms come wide like a T. And an exhale, we'll bring our legs over to the right side of our mat. If you'd like, and you feel like your legs are kind of hanging out in space, you can always put a pillow underneath your left foot and your right knee. Gaze can come up towards the ceiling or over to your left hand. Relax through your right glute if you felt like it tensed up when you began to come into your twist. And then gently allow your thoughts just to float by as you stay in this present moment, feeling the rise and fall of your breath. Our next inhale will gently bring us back through center. You can use your hands to lift your legs up if you'd like. I'm going to uncross this left foot from over my right knee and take my right knee up and over my left this time. Again, you can stay here if this is a deep enough stretch for you today. Or you can pick up this left leg, interlace all 10 fingers behind your left thigh, take a deep inhale, and then exhale, right toes flex back towards your right knee. And your legs come in towards your chest. My right elbow is keeping this right knee pointed out to the right side of the room, so it's not crunching in here. Releasing my tailbone down and relaxing through my shoulders. My shoulders and head are on the mat. They can be on your pillow, whatever feels best. And breathing into any tension points you feel. Soften through your face. And just focus on the rise and fall of your breath. Clearing your thoughts from the day. On your next inhale, we'll gently release this left leg down. Hands come wide like a T, and then we'll take our legs over to the left side of our mat. Again, you can bring a pillow or a blanket underneath your legs and your foot here. And release the tension in your left glute. Relax down. Gaze can come up towards the ceiling or over your right hand. Shoulders are melting into the surface, and we're letting gravity do the work here. Just feel the rise and fall of your belly. Bring that wandering mind back. And on your next inhale, we'll all gently make our way back through center. You can use your hands to help your legs lift back up. Uncross your legs, and we're going to bring our hips over to the right side of our mat. And then take our legs over to the left corner. I'm going to cross my right leg over my left and reach my hands over to the left corner of my mat. I'm going to take my right wrist into my left hand in this banana pose, stretching all the way down from my right ankle to my right wrist. Breathing into any tension points here. If your leg doesn't feel good crossed, you can always just bring your right leg right next to your left. Release your glutes if you feel like they're clenching. Relax through your left side body and release your shoulders down into the mat. Feeling the rise and fall of your breath. Letting the day go. And allowing yourself to rest. On your next inhale, we'll reset, coming back through center. Bend your knees. This time, take your hips over to the left side of your mat. Legs are reaching towards the right corner. I'm going to cross my left leg over to my right. My hands are reaching to the right corner of my mat, and I'm going to take my left wrist in my right hand here. Again, relaxing through your glutes here in your right side body. Shoulders relax down into the mat. Eyes can be open or closed. We're stretching all the way down from our left ankle to our left wrist. Refocus on your breath here, sending it into any tension points. And an inhale will bring us back through center. Let's reset our hips. So our hips, ankles, and shoulders are all in one line. Take our legs up to the sky, give them a little bit of shake, and then make our way into a happy baby if you'd like today, or you can keep your legs up the wall long. In your happy baby, release your tailbone down. You can grab for the outer edges of your feet, ankles, calves, or thighs, whatever's available today. If you'd like, you can take some movement, rocking from side to side, or you can stay still, it's your choice. Shoulders and head are relaxing down. And again, breathing into any tension points. Just take a few rounds of breath. Then we'll gently release our happy baby. Bring your knees into your chest. Option to take these legs back up the wall. You can maybe put them against a wall if you're near one, or over by your headboard if you'd like, if you're in bed. Or you can drape them over the couch if you're in your living room or somewhere that has a little shelf like that you can relax. I'm going to make my way into my Shavasana. I like to bend my knees, bringing my feet out as wide as my mat, and then knocking my knees together on the inside. So release tension in your low back. You can also put some pillows underneath your knees to release that tension. And hands can come by your side or up over your head. Gently allow your backside body to release and feel the support of the surface underneath you. Softening through your brow and your jaw. Neck and shoulders are gently softening, making its way down your arms as your fingertips gently curl in. Your backside body is melting into the earth, and your front side body is melting down into the backside body. You just feel the gentle rise and fall of your belly as you thank yourself for getting a little bit of movement in today and taking a little piece of time out of your day for yourself. Thanking yourself for making it through the day, whether it was a good day or a bad day. And just gently allow your mind to wander if you'd like. I'm going to leave you guys here in Shavasana today. Thank you so much for joining me. It's always an honor, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.